In this video, I'm going to show you how you can close or delete a board on Trello. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is obviously come over to Trello and find the board that you want to go ahead and delete. And here are my boards on my board section, and if I want to go ahead and delete one of these boards, all I need to do is select whichever one that is I want to delete. And then what that will do is it will open up the boards page, and then from here what you can do is simply come all the way over to the right hand side, and then on the right hand side you'll see a couple of options and a couple of settings here. From here what you need to do is select more, and then as you can see, once you select more, there's an option down near the bottom for close board. And if you want to delete your board, what you can do is simply click on close board, and then as you can see, you can find and reopen close boards at the bottom of your boards page. So if you're happy with that, click on close, and then as you can see, my tutorials board has now been closed. I can reopen it or I can permanently delete it. So if you want to permanently delete it, you can go ahead and click on permanently delete board. So if you want to permanently delete your board on Trello, you will not be able to reopen it, so please make sure you are 100% happy with that. And then if you are, click on delete, and then board not found. It has now been deleted from the database and everything like that. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.